Introducing Lon Po Po, a Red Riding Hood story from China by Miss Patton's class.
Once upon a time, the three kids' mother left to see their Popo. The three children were all girls. Their names were Shang Tai Patso.
Bye-bye, my children. Make sure to latch the door tight when the sun sets.
But the wolf heard their mother say that.
Knock, knock. It's your Popo.
Is it really you?
Yes, I've come to see you children.
The children opened the door for their Popo, which was the wolf, blew out the candle and yawned.
Time to go to sleep, my children.
Popo, why is your foot so bushy?
Oh, my foot is bushy because I've brought string to weave you a basket for you.
Popo, what sharp hands you have.
Popo has brought an owl to make shoes for you.
You must be hungry, Popo.
The oldest Shang figures out that the wolf is not their Popo, so they told the wolf that they have the ginkgo nut tree.
May you get the ginkgo nut for me?
You can only get a ginkgo nut yourself, so you can live forever.
So Patso had a plan.
You can get in the basket and I can pull you up, Popo.
They pulled the wolf up and dropped the basket, and the wolf fell out of the basket and bumped his head on a branch.
That